Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan and I will show you how to remove and replace the glove box. Okay, so to remove the glove box you don't actually need any kind of tools, just your hands. So to start, first open the glove box. And now the glove box is actually held by two plastic rubber pins, one on each side. So one will be here and other one just here on the other side. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to press the glove box here on the sides towards inside and just lower it down, and that will bring it all the way down. And now you can replace the air filter or whatever you need. To completely remove the glove box, you will have to detach it on a couple of these hooks. Okay, so before I show you how to completely remove the glove box, I will show you these rubber hooks. So pretty much that's all that's holding this glove box, one on each side like I said. Now when you are installing this glove box back in, you will just have to push this in and behind this plastic, and that's pretty much it. To completely remove the glove box, first you want to attach this hook right here, and then you will have one here which is in opposite direction, then one more here which is again in opposite direction to this one. So that means you have to do one by one starting from this side. If you just try to pull it towards yourself, you will just break this plastic connector here and make yourself lots of headaches. So just grab it here and pull it up and remove this one. Once this one is off the hook, then you can proceed with the next one, so just push it down. And now this last hook, again you just want to pull it straight up and remove it. And that's pretty much it. Now one-handed thing, on the back side of this glove box you will also have a part number in case you decide to buy a brand new glove box. So this right here is the part number, but I suggest you just go to the local car salvage, and they have lots of used minivans, and just get one, clean it up and install it on your minivan. And that's pretty much everything. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.